All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarrat has said that the fascist Indian government is using all brutal measures to crush the ongoing freedom struggle in occupied Kashmir, adding New Delhi's hegemonic designs and policies driven by hindutva ideology pose a serious threat to regional and international peace. However, the incarcerated APHC chairman maintained that Modi and its leaders must remember that whatever the circumstances be, the Kashmiris are determined to carry on their freedom struggle. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the Kashmiri people continue to face deepening discrimination and injustice at the hands of Delhi-led apartheid regime headed by Narendra Modi. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said, for over 7 decades, justice has been eluding the Kashmiris who are witnessing oppression and bloodshed on the daily basis. New Delhi-controlled notorious state investigation agency along with Indian paramilitary and police personnel raided several areas across the Kashmir Valley. The raids were carried out at 6 locations in central and North Kashmir parts on Tuesday morning in the name of investigation of a so-called militancy funding case. They also raided the houses of illegally detained APHC leaders Bilal Siddiqui and Maulvi Bashir Ahmed in Srinagar. Congress held forceful protest demonstration and protest rallies in many areas of Jammu region against the undemocratic policies of the Hindutva regime in India and occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Senior Congress leader and in-charge party affairs Rajni Patel led a protest rally in Udhampur town and a torch-bearing procession in Jammu city in which hundreds of workers and leaders participated. Indian Army's ex-servicemen have also come out of their houses, especially in Rajouri and Poonch districts, to raise their voice in favor of their demands. A protest march was taken out in Rajouri town in front of the Deputy Commissioner office, while hundreds of ex-servicemen gathered in Nowshera town and submitted a written memorandum to the additional Deputy Commissioner. 40 fresh cases of COVID-19 have been reported, taking the number of active cases to 166 during the past 24 hours. Among 40 new cases, 19 have been reported from the Kashmir Valley and 21 from the Jammu region. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has said that India is flouting international law by snatching the Kashmiris' right to self-determination with military force. Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, condemned the raids by the officials of New Delhi-controlled state investigation agency on the residences of illegally detained APHC leaders Bilal Siddiqui and Maulvi Bashir Ahmed in Srinagar. China has renamed 11 places in Arunachal Pradesh that it claims its part. The Chinese Ministry of Civil Affairs in a release said that they are standardizing some geographical names in the southern Tibet, a reference to the Arunachal Pradesh, which India claims it as its states. The move is likely to deepen the rift between New Delhi and Beijing.